Are you ready to learn how to make this HelloFresh meal? It is a creamy Dijon dill chicken and broccoli. It is very simple to make, and from what I can tell you, the sauce makes it delicious. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hi, I'm Ashley, and I love helping new moms gain strength and lose pounds through clean eating and exercise. Head over to my website for recipes and workouts. The ingredients you're going to need to make this meal is going to be chicken, a head of broccoli, a slicing knife, dill seasoning, olive oil, Dijon mustard, sour cream, and butter. You are going to start by preheating your oven to 450 degrees. Next, you're going to take your chicken out of its package. Take a plate, lay a paper towel down, and place the chicken down. With another paper towel, you're going to place the chicken on top. Using your hand or a rolling pin or something heavy, push down on the chicken. This is going to absorb any extra moisture and also flatten the chicken, easier for cooking. Now it is time to season the chicken. With your chicken still on the paper towel on the plate, you are going to only use salt and pepper. Sprinkle it over the top of the chicken, being a little heavier in your hand than what you think because some of it is going to stick to the pan once you cook it. Using your knife, it's going to be your larger knife, given that the broccoli is a thicker vegetable. You're going to first cut off the thicker part of the stem, leaving the head. Then, with your knife, you're going to then cut off smaller pieces of the top of. You're going to place each individual piece in a bowl, as you can see how small they're. Place your broccoli on a pan. You are going to sprinkle it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then with salt and pepper, and just mix it by hand, coating all the broccoli the best you can with the oil. Preheat a pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium heat. With each piece of chicken, you're going to put it seasoning side down. That way the salt and pepper can infuse with the oil. When you flip it over, it'll have flavor. After about 3 to 5 minutes of cooking your chicken, you are now going to flip the chicken over, and as you can see, it is going to have a golden brown appearance. Flip over each piece, cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. After your broccoli is coated with the olive oil mixture, go ahead and place it in the oven on the top rack. You can do this as your chicken is cooking. And you are going to do a baking time of 12 minutes. After your chicken has been cooked on both sides and has reached its internal temperature of 165 degrees, you are then going to remove each piece from the pan. When you are done, you are going to now lower the temperature to low, because we're going to get ready to make the delicious sauce. Now it is time to make the delicious Dijon mustard dill sauce. Your pan is on low setting. You still have the browning of the chicken. You are going to put in a 1/4 cup of butter. Start letting it melt. Put it around the pan. Next, you are going to put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Again, letting it start to melt, mixing it in. Next, pour in a glass of a 1/4 cup of water. This is going to help not only start the reduction, but also prevent some burning. Next, with the mustard, start with about a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. And the final ingredient is going to be the dill. You can use fresh dill, or you can use the spice with the dried. I had dried, so that's what I used. Mix it all together. It's going to come to a simmer, and you are going to continue to let everything melt together. Once the timer goes off, take your broccoli out of the pan and let it cool. To assemble this dish, you're going to take 1 piece of chicken. You are also going to take a cup of the broccoli. The potatoes here you can find on this video with my red baked potato recipe, and then sprinkle on the sauce. Delicious. Make sure you hit subscribe, and here's your next video.